Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all well. Welcome to web design tips and tricks. Today I am going to show you how to add favicon in HTML file or your web design project. So without wasting any more time, let's jump to tutorial. First, create a new folder for your project. Now open this folder. Now create a HTML file named index.html. Now take a PNG image for favicon. I will give the source file download link in the description. Now copy the favicon image and paste it in the project folder. Now open your project folder in a text editor. Inside HTML file, create a fresh HTML structure. Now give a title name of your project. Now after title tag, take a link tag. Inside title tag, type relation equal shortcut space icon. Now type here type equal image slash png. Finally, hyperreferral your image location. We almost done. Now save the HTML file and open it in a browser. Here we go, we successfully added favicon. It was so easy and fun. So thanks for watching. If you learned something from our tutorial, then hit the like button, comment down below your opinion or question, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya in the next video.